Hello, everybody. You are on Code on Puffic channel. And today we are going to start video course about PostgreSQL. Before we start, please, give a like to this episode so more people can see it. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next episodes. Let's go. PostgreSQL is an object relational database management system, or DBMS, based on Postgres, version 4.2, developed at the University of California at Berkeley Computer Science Department. Before you can use PostgreSQL you need to install it, of course. For it, go to the Google and type PostgreSQL download. Click on official website. And choose your operation system. Then leave all as default. After installing, for Run Postgres server you can create a batch file as shown. Run the batch file. Then open pgadmin client for working with database. Connect to the server. We have the one default database named Postgres with public schema. Default login/group roles and tablespace, we will get back to them later, stay tuned for now. Let's open SQL editor and check our server by showing the current date. For creating the database, click right mouse button, and choose Create Database. Type the name and click Save. Other properties are not necessary now. Good, now we have two databases. Open SQL editor for code_DBBase. Make sure that is working. And close the editor field. For creating the database schema, click right mouse button, and choose Create Schema. Type the name and click Save. Also you can see the DDL of creating schema for client. Other properties are not necessary now. Good. Now we have two schemas in code_DB database. To see the DDL of creating database for client, click right mouse button, and choose Create Script. We will get back to all these parameters later. Remove Edit panel and click right mouse button to drop the database. But be careful in production. And disconnect from the server. Thank you for watching. Put a like, write a supportive comment, and do not forget to share this video with your friends. Subscribe and get all notifications. Be safe. Bye.